prepare Imeretian Hachapuri. Delicious, juicy, golden brown cake with a Georgian cheese is an excellent snack or even a full meal. We need oil, cheese Suluguni, and eggs. We take Suluguni cheese and cut it into slices of medium thickness, then into half, and then on the diagonal. We get cheese triangles. Amino acids contained in the Georgian cheese contribute to the formation of hemoglobin, improve oxygen supply to the organs that strengthen defenses, and prevent the development of heart pathologies. Then we take the chilled dough and prepare the work surface. Strewing table with a small amount of flour. Now we separate the portion of dough and gently knead it with hands. We form a flat cake of medium size and put inside a large handful of grated cheese Suluguni. Then we wrap the edges, gathering them together, and get a bag of dough with cheese. Turn it. Make a shallow hole in the middle for the steam and slightly press to avoid tearing of the dough. Then we pour on the table more flour and flatten the cake. Its thickness should not exceed 10 millimeters. We spread another 100 grams of grated cheese over the entire surface. We put our future hachapuri on parchment in oven-proof dish. Now take one egg, break it, stir lightly and grease pastry's edges. Warm up the oven to 250 degrees Celsius and put hachapuri there. Baking takes about 10-11 minutes until the surface is golden brown. Put cut in pieces Suluguni on the hachapuri and send it to the oven for another few minutes to melt cheese. Amino acids that are contained in Georgian cheese contribute to the development of hemoglobin, improve oxygen supply to the organs that strengthen defenses, and prevent the development of heart pathologies. It should be noted that Suluguni is a source of essential vitamins, including retinol, vitamin A, niacin, vitamin B3, riboflavin, vitamin B2, riboflavin, vitamin B2. There is also ascorbic acid, tocopherol, vitamin E, and calciferol, vitamin D, in the composition of Suluguni. The presence of these components has a positive effect on blood vessels, epithelial tissue, work of the thyroid gland, and reproductive function. It is best to serve Imeruli hachapuri cut in pieces of any convenient form. We have triangles resembling pizza. But this is naturally because hachapuri in Imereti is a national Caucasian reason to meet in a friendly company in the evening at the table. We can decorate snack with fresh herbs, vegetables and salt. Serve hachapuri better with ayran. To give meal a pleasant aroma and delicate taste, we can grease it with butter. Now sit down at the table and enjoy a crispy crust and melted cheese. After this meal, everybody will be well fed, healthy, and satisfied with their life. Bon appetit!